I want to talk to you about the group coaching. It is a fantastic group of people who come together 3 times each week to find healing, to talk about whatever it is that's going on for them as relates to their life after being around narcissistic people and having toxic people in their life. It is a resource for recovery and for healing and for support. And it gives the added benefit of a bit of one-to-one coaching within a group setting. So it is really a program where people who are in the group tailor make the group sessions. So each person comes, brings what they have to bring to group, what they need help with, and they work with me one-to-one during that group time within the group setting. And each person that is watching is gaining information for themselves and gaining healing for themselves as they witness someone else going through their own healing process and receiving the coaching that comes from this group. So keep watching to hear what some of the group members have said about group.
I wanted to express my sincerest gratitude for Lise Colucci's group coaching.
To sum it up, and in one word, it's awesome.
So first and foremost, you never know who's going to be joining your group. So that is number one, a positive.
When I found out about this group coaching, I wasn't even sure what a life coach was, but I did know that I wasn't happy. I was really stressed out. I didn't know how to handle things, personal things in my life, so I just gave it a try.
We talk about everything from breaking trauma bonds to past history with toxic and narcissistic people, to growing up in families where one of the parents or both of the parents were narcissistic, to the repeated cycle of narcissistic relationships, everything from learning about your own boundaries, from what it is that hooks you into these relationships, and what it is you personally need to recover from.
That we can get feedback and coaching to help us deal with that situation, even if it's something that happened the same day or something that's been going on that you've been thinking about. Just being able to get that feedback is really helpful.
Before I entered it, and I had no idea what to expect. At the time, I would, I watched YouTube videos and I would participate in the YouTube chats and, things of that nature.
I was a little bit nervous, but it ended up being a godsend.
But compared to the coaching program, the YouTube videos are great. It's a great resource. Going from YouTube to the coaching program is like next level, like literally next level.
It's something that has been really helpful for me, and I wish I had found it sooner.
Talking to Lise is really easy.
Lise is somebody that's been through a similar experience.
It's like talking to one of your best friends, and she really helps you dig in and find those beliefs that are causing all the lack of self-worth and all those difficult emotions.
She knew exactly what to say and how to say it. And you know what I liked is that she didn't use these huge terms. She didn't make me feel like she was smarter than me. I could say, the day that I was really having in the words that I wanted to, and I didn't have to apologize. And she understood and she got it.
She gave me the tools to then go and do it on my own. And on days when I didn't really feel like talking, being in that group setting was great because I was able to learn from other people's experience and watching her coach the other people in the group.
The other thing that's nice is while I may be discussing my personal situation and getting feedback from Lise, I'll also get feedback from the other group members that have been in a similar situation, and getting that feedback has been really validating to my experience and has been able to reinforce things.
So basically what happens is we meet every week, 3 times a week. Currently it's Tuesdays and Thursdays, 4:30 p.m. and Fridays, 11 a.m. Pacific time. And each person gets their share of time to speak about what they wish to speak about, or to sit and listen to other people talk about what's going on for them.
A friend suggested I find a support group, and through a quick Google search, I came across Lisa's online group. Within only a few weeks of engaging in this group, both through virtual Zoom meetings and the private group text community, I began to feel better. This group gave me emotional and informational support.
And it's useful for me because even when other people are talking about a situation that is different from mine, I do often find that the advice and information that is shared between the group members is useful. And I sometimes actually take notes down and things to remind myself to do in some similar situations.
And I tell you, she wants to see your success and to see you grow, and she gives you every opportunity to do that, and she's encouraging you 1,000%, and she's behind you all the way. It is just like this genie in your pocket.
Honestly, Lisa's group coaching has been a godsend, and it's changed my life, and it's changed me. It's made me a better person.
Sharing my story with the group and listening to others' experiences gave me the validation I needed after years of being gaslighted and manipulated. Thanks to group coaching, I am better equipped to set boundaries, notice red flags, and take accountability for my own happiness.
The biggest thing for me is getting that feedback from people who've been there, done that. Because let's be honest, recovering from narcissistic abuse takes a lot of time, effort.
Once referred to it to me as leveling up, and she has been there for every single level that I have mastered and overcome.
This whole process and this journey is many, many, many layers. And you may go in thinking to coaching that there's these things that you need to work on, and you do, but for whatever reason, as you're kind of working through things, other things come up. She's great at multitasking between the different dynamics of group. It's really an awesome program. It is well worth the money, and the value is definitely there.
There might be just something that you just need to get off your mind or speak about it to get some feedback on that you don't want to wait, get into a whole hour therapy session on when it's something you can talk about for just a few minutes.
You can find information about the group and where to sign up right here. This group coaching is worldwide. If you can make the times that we offer it, you are welcome, because we meet on Zoom. We also have a private Discord group where people can talk throughout the week and where I send the links to. So if you need help, you need support, and you need a place to go to talk, join us. We would love to have you.